जय गुरुदेव। आज हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल का फार्मूला को एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहे हैं कि यह फार्मूला कैसे बना, और हमें एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल का फार्मूला पता है। उसका फार्मूला यूज़ करके हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल का फार्मूला निकालेंगे। तो यहाँ इस चित्र में क्या दिया, इन ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर ए ट्रायंगल है, इसका हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है बाई यूजिंग द मेथड ऑफ कटिंग एंड पेस्टिंग। और इसको यहाँ पर हम इंटरेक्टिव मेथड से करेंगे, कटिंग एंड पेस्टिंग तो नहीं कर पाएंगे करेंगे, अगर हम इसको इंटरेक्टिव वे में यहाँ पर आपको इस सॉफ्टवेयर के माध्यम से। D and E are the midpoint and DE is joined here, midpoint. PQ and PR, midpoint of PQ and PR. PS is altitude. This altitude is drawn on the side QR from point P. Now what we have done, actually this altitude is intersecting DE at point C. At this point we will cut this triangle and turn this triangle this side. So this will be, actually this angle is 90 degrees, so it will fit here. Right? This side is half of this full PS, so that will come here. Okay, and these opposite angles are equal, so it will meet here. This FD is equal to DC, so it will, so these two triangles are congruent. Why? This is equal to this, DC is equal to FD. This angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is vertically opposite. So by rule of congruence, ASA, these two triangles will be congruent. Here you can see the area of this triangle PCD is 15 square unit, whereas QFD is also 15 units. So they are congruent and equal in area. Similarly, these two triangles, this side turn to this side, means CF is equal to CE equal to GE. When we turn this thing, this angle 90 degrees, so this angle will 90 degrees, this angle and this angle vertical opposite angle, so these two angles are equal. If this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and we have calculated this angle. Certainly this angle will also be 90 degree, because this angle plus this angle will make it 90 degree. In this triangle, you can consider this triangle. Suppose this angle is 90 degree, clearly this angle is alpha and this angle is beta, and alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, because this angle is 90. So alpha is coming here, beta is here, so alpha plus beta is again now 90 degrees. So this will be 90 degree, and we have proved these two triangles. So we are turning this here, and this triangle, this PCE triangle will turn over here. So it will finally become a rectangle. QRGCGF will be a rectangle. Now this is PC is PS, half of this midpoint joining will divide this line segment also. PC is half of the PS, so it is coming here. So actually this is PS is 12 unit. You can see here it is 6 unit. So half of this thing. Now half of PS into QR करें हम. QR base and this is altitude. So half of the altitude into base is the area of a triangle. क्योंकि this area of triangle is nothing but the area of this rectangle. Because this is fitting here, this triangle is fitting here. So the area of triangle is equal to area of this rectangle. So we can find the area of rectangle by multiplying this base into this height. So or this height PS is double than this thing. So half of the PS we can write, and into QR is the area of rectangle. If Q is equal to half of PS, it is half of PS into QR will give the area of the triangle ABC. By using area of rectangle, we have derived the formula for area. So here QR is the base, so half QR into PS, that is altitude. So half base into altitude is the formula for this thing. Now here we can see PS is 2 times the H. H, PS की value 12, H की value 6. So 2 times. H1 is equal to H. H and H1 are equal. Here area of triangle is 0.5 base into altitude, what we have checked. QR. Here QR is equal to QR is equal to 2 times of the DE, because this part is equal to this part is equal to this part. Consider this is a we can say X, so this is X, so 2X, here X, Y, so this is also Y, so 2Y, 2X plus 2Y is equal to QR. 2 we take common, so X plus Y is equal to DE, and this QR is equal to 2 times of the DE. You can prove on pen and paper and watch this video again and again, so that it will be clear. Now area of this triangle, quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle, what we have already. This is 15 unit square unit, this is 15 square unit, this is 9 square unit, this is 9 square unit. Now so this is coming over here. Now area, this 16 into 6 is 96 unit. 15 is here, 9 is here, so 24 square unit is here, and 24 is here, so 48. So this is 96, so it is only half of that thing. You can see at this stage we are seeing that these values are, these two triangles are congruent. And if I change the position now, interactive is what? Now I am changing the position of this. In this case also you can see this triangle is equal to this triangle, this triangle is equal to this triangle, area of this triangle, and they are congruent. You can see they are congruent, and this PS is 2 times of the H. This H, yeah, we can say P S is equal to 2 times QF or 2 times of RG, because these two are equal. Again here we see the area of this triangle is 64 square unit. So this is 8 into 16 divided by 2, base into altitude divided by 2. So 8, 16 8 is 9, 16 8 is 124. So half of that is 64 square unit. So we can observe this also here. Now I am keeping here and this value here, changing the position of this point. Now you see here another position. Here again you see these two triangles are congruent and these two triangles are also congruent. So here area of rectangle is 18 into 6. 18 into 6 is 108. Here this is Q 18 base into half of the altitude. 18 into half of the altitude is, that is 6. 18 6 are 108. So we are getting the value 108. Area of triangle is 100. Area of quadrilateral is also 108, because length into breadth. 18 6 are 108. So in this case also we are able to see that this. Similarly we can change the next position. Here also we see that triangle, this angles are equal. If I am changing at this position, I have to bring this in a straight line, make it 90 degree angle. When you, at present this angle is acute angle. When I bring here in a same straight line, D, F and G, and along with DE, then it will be certainly 90 degree. Now in this case these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles are congruent. 10 square unit area of this triangle, here are area of this, here 8. So again we can see this QR is 18 and PS is 8. So 18 into 8, again 144. Half of that is 72. So this angle is coming. Here 80 in 4 is length into breadth, 18 4 is 72. इस प्रकार हमने यहाँ देखा कि एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल और एरिया ये क्वाड्रिलेटर जो बनाया हमने मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करके यहाँ से स्ट्रेट लाइन खींच के, तो वो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एरिया ऑफ इस रेक्टेंगल के बराबर है. तो ये हम इंटरेक्टिव मेथड से हमने एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल जानते थे, उससे हमने एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल निकाला. क्या है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल? हाफ बेस इनटू अल्टीट्यूड. सो आपको समझ में आया होगा. मुझे लगता है कि आप इसको अच्छे से समझे होंगे. बड़ा वीडियो है, पूरा देखिए, दोबारा देखिए, बार बार देखिए, आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. और इसको आप एक्टिविटी मेथड, पेपर कटिंग मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं. एक ट्रायंगल लीजिए, मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करिए और यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करिए. एक पीस, दूसरा पीस और ये तीसरा पीस हो जाए, 3 पीस हो जाए. इस पीस को टर्न करके यहाँ लगाइए, इस पीस को टर्न करके यहाँ लगाइए. चाहो तो आप कलर भी कर दीजिएगा, एक को ग्रीन कर दीजिए, एक को ब्लू कर दीजिए. हाँ, तो और ये आपको किधर लगाना, एक इधर लगाना. मगर कितने पेपर कट करेंगे आप? 1 2 4 10. इस मेथड में, इस सॉफ्टवेयर के माध्यम से हम कई पोजीशन बना सकते हैं, कई फिगर बना सकते हैं और डायरेक्ट एरिया कैलकुलेट हो जाता है, तो उससे हमें समझने में आसानी होती है। आशा है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो कर दीजिए। जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि।